Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm in Jeffersonville, Indiana. What you see over my shoulder there, that's Louisville, Kentucky, and right above me, that's the Big 4 Bridge. That's a walking bicycle bridge that will take you from Indiana over to Kentucky, and we're going to show it to you. There's lots of cool, interesting things. You may hear the music in the background. I don't know if I can show you, but right down there's a concert going on, so we'll take you by that. Then we'll take you up across the bridge, show you some of the interesting artisans that are up there on the bridge, and then we'll be into Kentucky. So before I leave right here, I'll give you so right there's a ramp, and it just slowly ramps up, and then you go all the way across and over. And I don't know if you can tell by looking, but what that used to be was a train bridge, and the Big 4 Railroad used that to haul different things across the river. But now it's been rededicated, and the purpose is for walkers to be able to walk across, or cyclists to be able to cycle across. It's pretty cool. It's really nice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bike trail down, and we'll show you what's going on down there.
Pausing.
So it's kind of like an amphitheater down there. It's pretty cool. There's food trucks, a lot of different things going on right there. This is Friday night, July 5th, day after 4th of July celebration. We're going to take you up here to the ramp, and I will take you up the ramp, show you what it's like. It's a little bit tough. I'm in my low gear right now, so we'll go nice and slow for you. Okay, it's a little breezy, and there's a lot of people here using it, so I hope it's not too windy. And when we get up there, we'll show you some more. But this is just starting up the ramp. See up ahead how long the ramp is. Now on the Kentucky side, it's a little bit different. On the Kentucky side, you'll see it's kind of like a corkscrew. It's a pretty good grade. It's about 6%. And over there's Louisville. We're about to the top. It's going to be a nice sunset. It's a little bit cloudy. We may not be able to see the sunset. Okay, back down there, that's the amphitheater. A little better look at it, but now we're up at the top, we're on the bridge, and I'll give you a look around. Okay, that's looking upriver. This is the Ohio River, and we're looking upstream.
Pausing.
And then this is Jeffersonville, Indiana, and you can kind of see down there where we just left. Now I'll spin you around and we'll show you the downriver side, looking at Louisville. And this is downriver, that's Louisville. Zoom in, you can't really see it through that's Interstate 65 bridges, north and south. And then the sun's setting to the west. With the breeze up here, it's just really nice right now. And then this is looking at the bridge. A lot of people walking. We're gonna go up here and see what else we can see. Before I go, just picture this having railroad tracks and a train going through. I'll give you kind of zoom in. This is an iron bridge. It's held together with steel rivets. Here, let me give you a look at the rivets. It's all riveted together, kind of like the Titanic was, but apparently they did a better job here. It's heavy steel. It's probably 1/4 inch steel. Here's a view from the center of the Ohio, looking upstream again. Down there's where we were. Just a big old mighty river. That's a large boat coming down. Earlier I saw a big paddle boat. I'll have still shots at the end of the video of that, so you'll want to stick around for that. It was pretty cool. Steam paddle boat. So continuing on, it's getting a little busier as we get towards the Kentucky side. I have to watch what we're doing here. Little guy on the scooter. Okay. There was a guy back there doing portraits for $10. It took him, I don't know, 15-20 minutes to sketch. I was going to have one done, but a couple cut in front of me while I was videoing, so not going to get that done today.
Tonight ain't no baby gonna be your sweet baby tonight.
Now we're pretty much, there's a shot of the ramp taking you down on the Kentucky side. So we're gonna head up here and take you down and be in Kentucky. And hopefully I can do this all with just my front brake. I got one hand on the camera and one hand on the brake. So there's Louisville. That's the downtown. Kind of see the ramp. Okay. Go around. Okay, guys,
Pausing.
that's it for the Big Four Bridge in Louisville, Kentucky, and Jeffersonville, Indiana. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, think about subscribing. We got lots of fun things planned. We do lots of fun, different active stuff outdoors all the time. We'd love to have you back for all of our videos. As always, we thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one.